Are you tired of stubborn belly fat? Looking for something natural, powerful, and easy to add to your daily routine? Well, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm sharing with you a simple chia seed elixir. Just 1 cup a day, and you could feel the difference in your metabolism, appetite, and energy levels in just a few days. This special blend is packed with fat-burning, hunger-suppressing, and metabolism-boosting ingredients that are not only effective, they're backed by science. Let's break it down. Why this chia seed elixir works. These tiny super seeds are rich in fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, yet they have very few calories. Once they hit the water, they expand in your stomach, giving you a strong sense of fullness that can prevent overeating. Chia seeds are also high in quality protein, which helps reduce cravings and preserve lean muscle during weight loss. Next up, cinnamon. This warming spice doesn't just add flavor, it boosts your metabolism, helps balance your blood sugar levels, and triggers a process called thermogenesis, where your body burns more calories to process it. It even helps curb your appetite. Add a pinch of black pepper, and you're adding piperine, a compound proven to prevent fat accumulation, enhance digestion, and increase the absorption of nutrients. It's also thermogenic, meaning it speeds up calorie burning. Lemon juice. Then there's lemon juice. Loaded with vitamin C, it detoxifies your liver, improves fat metabolism, boosts immunity, and helps your body produce glutathione, the master antioxidant that helps you detox naturally. Raw honey. And to top it off, a spoon of raw honey. Not only is honey a natural sweetener, it helps mobilize stored fat, increases good cholesterol HDL, and supports your metabolism with its 26 amino acids and essential minerals. Chia seed elixir recipe. Here's how to make it. 1 cup of room temperature. Water 1 teaspoon chia seeds. In 4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Juice of 1 to 2 lemon, a dash or 2 of black pepper. 1-2 teaspoons of raw honey, or a natural sweetener of your choice. How to prepare and drink it. Add chia seeds to the water and stir. Let them sit for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. They'll begin to swell and form a gel-like texture. Now add the cinnamon, lemon juice, pepper, and honey. Mix it well. Let it sit for another 10-15 minutes to activate all the ingredients. Then drink it on an empty stomach. First thing in the morning, at least 15-20 minutes before your first meal. You can also have it again before dinner to suppress your appetite and improve digestion. Tips for best results. To get the maximum benefits, stay hydrated, eat clean, sleep well, and get some daily movement. Even a brisk 20-minute walk helps. This elixir isn't a magic pill, but it's a powerful daily habit that supports your body's natural ability to burn fat and feel great. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. You never know who it might help. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you're going to try this chia seed elixir. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips and remedies. Stay healthy, stay happy.